Welcome back to the Knowledge Chest. In today's lesson, we'll dive deeper into using browse mode in Microsoft Word with NVDA. This is Lesson 8, where we'll explore more on browse mode and types of lists. Let's get started. Just like on web pages, NVDA's browse mode can be used in Word documents. By default, NVDA is in focus mode in Word, similar to being in a form on a web page. This allows for easy typing and editing of text. To toggle browse mode on and off, press NVDA plus spacebar. Once in browse mode, you can use the single-letter navigation keys to move between elements in the document. This is particularly handy for moving between headings. You can also navigate other element types such as links, graphics, or tables. When navigating through text in Word, whether in browse or focus mode, headings are identified if Report Headings is enabled in NVDA's document formatting preferences. Additionally, announce formatting changes. After the cursor must also be set. To adjust these options, press NVDA plus Ctrl plus D to open the document formatting dialog. In browse mode, NVDA's elements list is also available. Press NVDA plus F7 to open a dialog showing all elements in the document. Within the elements list, you can use the following shortcuts. Press Alt plus K to list all links, the default. Press Alt plus H to list headings. Press Alt plus A to list annotations. Press Alt plus F to filter the displayed elements. When Alt plus F is pressed, focus moves to an edit field. Text entered here will filter the elements displayed in the list to those containing that text. If the type of elements displayed is changed, the filter will be cleared. Now let's talk about bulleted lists. A list groups items like a shopping list where each item is on a separate line, usually indented with a visual mark in front. The term bulleted list is used because a filled circle called a bullet is the default marker. However, you can use almost any symbol as the mark for each item. When the first character on a line is an asterisk, followed by a space or a tab, Word automatically starts a bulleted list. The line is indented, with the bullet symbol on the left. Each time you press Enter, a new line with a bullet is created, ready for the next item. You don't need to type the asterisk manually, and NVDA will report the bullet. To finish the list, press Enter twice after the last bullet point. The final unused bullet and indent are removed, and the cursor is placed at the left margin on the line below the last item. Several other key sequences will create lists with different symbols. Type any of the following followed by a space to start a list of that type. A hyphen for a hyphenated list, 2 hyphens for a filled square, a greater than sign for an arrowhead pointing at each item, a hyphen and greater than sign for an arrow pointing at each item, an equals and greater than sign for a hollow arrow pointing right, and less than and greater than signs for a filled diamond. Note that NVDA will only read the hyphen bullet if NVDA's punctuation and symbol level is set to most or all. Press NVDA plus P to change the punctuation level if needed. NVDA may not read all the symbols for other bullet types. While navigating through a document, when a bulleted list is encountered, NVDA will report this. If announce formatting changes and report paragraph indentation are both checked in NVDA's document formatting dialog, it will also read the indent information. That's it for today's lesson on navigating Microsoft Word with NVDA. We covered browse mode navigation, the elements list, and types of bulleted lists. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Knowledge Chest for more tutorials. See you next time.